And we are recording. If
Okay.
you want to give a quick intro
Yeah, let's
about
go.
what we'd be covering.
Hello, everyone. It's Andrew from Gimbalabs. I'm here with Harsha. We've got another session of our Mesh live coding, Mesh open spaces. Today we are going to look at governance transactions. Last week we had a productive week last week. We fixed up the deploy reference. No, Harsha went through a deploy reference script, and we also fixed up the issue from the week before,
Ticketing, the
which was
ticketing.ak.
sending a transaction to the Builder Fest ticket validator, and we got that working. So we were going to go off a bit of a different direction this week, and it's something that I know nothing about in terms of building transactions for it, and I've kind of left it like that purposefully because we're just going to try and feel our way through it. So we're going to have to use the mesh docs and maybe some other docs and just see what we can do. I think we'll start maybe and see if we can register as a DREP. That's quite an expensive transaction, but since we're doing it on pre-prod, it doesn't matter because I've got loads of pre-prod data, loads. So
Yep, yep.
that's so it's not worth anything. Um, yeah, so we'll give that a try. If that doesn't work, then we will just try and send a transaction to register somebody else is DREP, which I
Yeah,
believe
I
is
mean, maybe we can do both, like register for a DREP, and if we have enough time, what do you call it? Stake to a DREP? What is the
yeah,
word?
yeah.
Um,
The terminology I'm not even that um clear on. I don't want to
yeah, yeah. So
throw
maybe
Cardano
register to
space
another
here, but
DREP.
I've got a few. I'm a bit apathetic to whole those governance thing. I think it's been done too early, in my opinion. I think the we should have been working on improving the chain and get it quicker, but we are where we are. So, and
Yep.
in the long term, it's a good thing. So let's dig into it.
All right.
So I think we'll first stop will be this is our code base from last week, but since I don't really know what I need to write, we'll go to the mesh docs. Um, let's see. Yeah, so it might be a bit rusty this week. We'll see how we get on.
Yeah. And where would you go in Mesh, Andrew? Would you go to the transaction builder? Because this doesn't specifically say governance. Maybe I'll just search for governance.
Am
Uh,
I sharing screen?
you're sharing screen, but I'm
Okay,
also
right.
like checking on.
Okay, right.
Actually, you're not sharing screen.
I'm not wonderful. Right, hang on a minute. Okay, all of it.
Okay. I found like a little governance thing on Mesh, so let me share that link with in the chat. Yeah, transaction builder governance.
Yeah, well, I'm just got a stupid bar at the top. Doesn't go away. So anyway, yeah, we've gone to meshjs.dev and I just started typing in governance. And we've got a few options, documentation, governance transactions. So let's start there and see where we get. Okay. So yeah, the on-chain governance system is part of SIP 1694 and it enables community to vote on proposals and protocol updates.
You can, yeah.
You can delegate your voting power to a decentralized representative or DREP, register as a DREP yourself, and vote on governance actions. Well, I know there's not going to be any governance votes that for us to do on the pre-pod network, at least not that I know of, but I think the first two we can have a good go at. Gimbal Labs itself is in, and Harsh is involved in this, is in the middle of building an app for voting on governance actions, which, well, it's actually working. It's a really nice bit of software.
Yeah,
Maybe we can have a look at that later if this goes well. Um,
yeah. So what do you think we should start with? Do you think when to use this? Like, I think they have like five actions, which are all transactions. Do you think we should start with delegating your voting power to a DREP or register as a DREP to represent other
I
voters?
think we might try and register as a DREP because I think
Okay,
we
let's
can
do
do
it.
that. Then we can do some of the other transactions to the DREP we've created. Okay.
We
Well,
have,
we'll do it as a back-end transactions like we have been doing.
oh yeah, 100%. Yeah.
That's what
And
we'll
like do
start
a
with.
quick button. That's our
Yeah.
favorite thing.
Okay.
Um,
Vote delegate certificate. Delegate voting power to a DREP. DREP registration certificate. Register as a DREP. So it looks like Mesh have actually got a one line transaction there. I'm not sure what anchor is.
Oh,
Your
yeah. So this makes it
DREP.
super easy. Vote delegation certificate.
But
And
where do
that's
we get
it.
that? DREP ID.
And rewards address. Rewards address is our staking address, staking part of our address.
Okay.
Actually, I want to check rewards address, what that, where and how to get that rewards address. Mm.
Hmm. And that's to delegate your voting power. So that's is that every
Oh,
address?
that's for delegation. My bad, my bad. I For
Yeah.
registration, we need a drep ID, which is a string, and an anchor, which is an anchor. I
Do,
think we
do,
need to look at these. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
do we all have one of them? A DREP ID? If if you have a
Uh,
wallet.
from your drep ID from wallet. Let me see. Drep ID. Um, I'm just looking at my wallet, but
DREP, what have we got here? DREP ID.
uh,
Like,
governance, drep delegation, register as a drep. Oh yeah, it is giving me a drep ID. Yeah, on
what?
Eternal at least. So go to
Ah,
governance, open your pre-prod Eternal.
that might be my main network. Oh, I don't know if
Oh,
I can
then
do
don't
that.
don't
Hang
share
on,
it.
let's just pause cancel in a minute.
Yep, that's right. That's exactly how it's supposed to be done.
Yeah. And we're back.
Right.
Right.
So if you go to governance
Oh, okay, yeah.
and register as a TREP, that's the ID.
Ah, so we'll be able to use that. And the metadata is optional. So I saw that a URL would be, say, if you wanted a governor, a page, if you wanted a website or something like
Oh,
that.
so yeah, so just like
Put the meta.
giving people an idea about who I am, similar to like stake pools. They have
Yeah,
like their own web pages, right? Okay.
that's
Okay.
nice and easy, actually. Okay, let's not get ahead of myself, but this might go quite well. So, uh, okay, yeah, I don't want that. Right, so just we'll go back to the mesh docs. So we have a nice sort of boilerplate template to go here. Um, we will start. We'll make a start. So on our server, we've been making some transaction scripts. We'll create a new one. Let's call it
Register as
register
DREP.
DREP.
Register DREP.
Register DREP. Yeah, go with that. LTS. Oh, well, we all no, we've got camel case, snake case, and then we'll just go.
Oh,
Yeah,
all
forget it.
cases.
Got a provider. Who are we using? We were using Blockfrost. Good. So let's import the provider first.
I mean, I feel like you can just like copy the whole snippet and just change like one little thing in that snippet.
Yeah, let's write it out because I mean
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure. Sure. Why
yeah,
not?
because well, if it goes really well, we're going to be stood here twiddling our thumbs.
Yeah, we don't want it to go too
Yeah.
well,
Well, let's
you
not
know.
go too well. Don't want to be doing 2 minutes. And nice windsurf AI is. offering some examples. We do want the mesh transaction builder. We don't need the block frost though, because that's coming in from there.
The provider, yeah. How come the provider is being sketchy? Why is it like
It's just a
declared by its
different
value?
name. Yeah.
Okay, but then mesh transaction builder also we imported, but its value is not used, but it's not saying anything. That's
It's a
weird.
weird one. Okay. Um,
Let's see, a registered drep. What are the things it'll take? So it'll take the UTXO's change address, and it'll take those two. It'll take the drep ID, which is a string, and optionally it can take an anchor.
yeah, it doesn't need collateral or anything. It's just change a direct. Right. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think we are interacting with a validator for
No,
this.
no. Reward addresses. What's
So
Oh, that's for
reward address,
voting. That's for voting anyway. Okay, right. Well, no, that's okay. That's just to delegate. But we do need the UTXOs.
yeah.
Okay. UTXOs, can be. Do you know what? We'll do it as a little type thing, just to,
Yeah,
for
sure.
variety. Interface. Uh, we're gonna. Uh,
So when do you use interface as opposed to a type, Andrew?
good, good question. I'm not going to answer that because I don't. I just generally, if I'm doing anything as a back end sort of function like this, I'll generally use an interface. Um,
Because I've
you
been
could
doing
probably, we
Go.
should probably
Yeah,
look at that.
yeah,
Um,
yeah. No, because I was just asking because in Go, interfaces are completely different. Like they're used for a completely different purpose. So I'm these days I'm getting confused when I use interface in TypeScript.
well, that's it. I'm working on Go a lot myself at the minute, and so actually it's a bit confusing coming back to working in Node and
I
TypeScript.
know.
Um, ID
So list of
string.
UTXOs, change address, drep ID, which is a string.
We've got to import the
Um,
UTX. So
and do you think we should have like an optional anchor in there in the interface?
yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Make it
Yeah.
optional. Put a question mark in front of it. I think that should make it
Okay.
optional,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Okay. So with our VTX, take those four things in.
I think that's
I
pretty good.
don't step ahead with me. I'm just going to do it myself. Why do I need that? Okay. Let's see. Chunks builder, and then we will use verbose just if we get any
Yes.
error message, and we'll have the provider as our provider, which from Blockfrost we won't use submitter because we're going to be sending it back to the front end to sign. What am I
Yes.
on there? Okay, think syntax errors. Fetcher. It's not provider. My apologies.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yep.
Which what are we actually going to be fetching out of interest? I'm not even
Let me
sure we
see.
are going to be fetching anything. We're going to get the
We
UTXOs from the wallet. We know that. We're going to get the change address from the wallet. We're gonna get the DREP ID from the wallet as well. We don't even need that. Um, we need to put it in anyway because it's going to have to build it. So I'm assuming it needs to fetch something to build the transaction.
Yeah, so I think because it balances out the transaction by itself, right? So maybe.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yes, it's going to have to balance the transaction. Right. Okay. Um, got what I'm doing now. So, yeah. Do we need to put that in brackets? Do we just put TX?
TX dot one. So that's the instance. We already initialized an
Yeah.
instance of the transaction builder. Now we just use those methods to add to the new instance.
We need a DREP registration certificate.
Yeah. Let's do the boilerplate ones first. Like I think because we'll have to put like what is it called? Pre-prod, network, pre-prod, all of that random stuff first, boilerplate stuff. I don't know if it is supposed to be ordered in a specific way.
Well, I'm going that way. I went with that first because if you look at this boilerplate here, the vote delegation is at the top of the transaction.
Oh,
So I was gonna put that one first, um, and then fill in the rest of it after.
yeah, sure.
The anchor is
That's
actually
all.
an object. So there's a data hash. Are they both optional?
No, no, no. DREP ID is not optional.
No, I'm looking at the anchor object. If we put that in, it's actually two things we need. The hash of the metadata content. So we'd have to hash that, wouldn't we?
Oh, we'll have to. We need a hash of the
So we'll get
metadata.
on to that in a minute then. Um, right, let's get the DREP ID and
So
it's optional. I don't know if I should put a check on that
let's check on what. Um,
anchor. Um,
I mean, we can put
so
like a random string and a random hash because it. I don't think it gives a shit.
uh, it's going to have to be an object though.
Yeah, yeah, it'll be an object.
So well, let's initiate that. Const object will be URL. And that'll be
Yeah,
the
put your.
anchor, and we're gonna maybe we'll dig into these docs a little bit on just on this
Yeah,
um,
yeah.
anchor object. Can you give me more data hash? How can you give me more than that?
Let me also
Have we
take a
got
look.
a hash? Cool. Hash byte string?
What was that?
Hash direct anchor? Ah, we go. They've got one.
Hash drep. What is that? Is that a function
Yeah, I
to
think so.
hash something? Is it a hashing function? What is it?
Ah, but it takes an object as it is.
And it takes a JSON LD. What is JSON LD?
Don't actually know. I know it's just an object. Some kind of
Oh,
can't even say what's in it.
oh, maybe the anchor URL. Uh, yeah, we'll have to take a look.
I don't really want to go on Cardano. We're not doing Python. sure this is right. Must contain the URL where the image can be found.
Hmm.
An instance of Cardano representing the anchor of the metadata linked to this drep is optional. Yeah, I know that one. Um, do wish sometimes they'd just make these things painfully obvious and simple to understand. They don't.
Yeah, I agree. It's a little bit of a.
Just somebody explaining exactly what we need to do there would be nice.
Yep, yep. I agree.
Because
Uh,
they've got this, the hash drep anchor. Well, in fact, let's look in the docs and ask to see what does hash. Right.
mm.
Oh, right, okay. They've got some code examples here. It must have been further down.
Do they have like registering as a DREP? And I'm just reading about like this anchors on the Gov tool.
Register as a drep. Okay. That's not what we're doing. Oh, no, yeah, we do.
Oh,
Yeah,
we are.
no, no, we're doing. Okay.
Uh,
Drep ID, anchor. Okay. No, right. I think they've got that there for us.
yeah.
So there's a metadata, and I guess that would be the name of us as a drep in the
I
body. Uh,
name.
yeah. So that their transaction takes in a wallet, okay, a name
Name.
and a metadata URL. So the URL is put
Oh, so this
here.
metadata body is what they're hashing.
Yeah, the anchor data hash is actually a hashed metadata in that format,
Oh, I see, I see, I
which
see, I
is
see.
odd. I don't know what this is. The at context SIP.
See, and so CIP 119 we'll have to take a look at.
Yeah, let's
CIP
say what we
119.
will do a little copy paste here because we'll take what their metadata is because we know we're going to have to hash
Oh,
them.
there's a whole fucking CIP for
Yes.
like metadata standards. Okay.
Yeah. So
CIP.
this anchor should actually be the URL and there should be an anchor name as well. Stop. Uh, let's take that out as optional, actually. We'll put it in anchor name and URL.
Yeah.
And yeah, and they're all strings. And that in the metadata is going to have our anchor name in the body as the given name. Let's,
Yep,
yeah,
yep.
SIP 119 governance oh, we've just been on this. Governance metadata. Okay, let's try and have another read of this.
I mean, I feel like this has like way too much information that is not
Not,
directly
yeah,
relevant to us.
yeah, I agree.
Uh,
Should just give me an idea of what I need to put in.
JSON LD
This has
schema.
got, oh, hey, heck. All right. Well, I'm not sure we need to go down this path. I think we'll just leave it empty.
Yeah,
I guess that gives a lot of options to a DREP to put in some information about themselves.
yeah. 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 Governance method. Yeah.
You give some
I'm
support.
just gonna click on some links to see governance metadata. Oh, I think we can just show a sample.
Ah, this is yeah, that is a sample of it, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That is Cardano Foundation CIP
I mean,
01.
we have to put that in.
That is like a context hash body ID reference.
It did say it's optional though, so the whole thing.
Yeah, no,
Tell you
it
what,
is
we're just
option.
gonna leave. We'll leave it in as the object body. Um,
Yeah.
and but we'll actually just leave the metadata like that and see if it accepts it.
I
Uh,
mean, it wouldn't care to be fair. Like the transaction will go through, um, but it's just a standard. It's not like it's not like i- anyone is going to stop us if we screw up a little bit.
yeah, we just need to. Yeah, if you put that in, we just need to hash the metadata. I think Windsurf just got ahead of me then. Right. So the anchor object was that we have the URL and the data hash. So in here, I think we have to specify it like that as well. So it's going to have to be anchor URL and anchor data. It's going to go in the oh, ooh, what is the type? Doesn't like the type.
Which type does it not like? Anchor object. Oh,
Well, it's just I've not specified it. Or is it?
that's
Set that in there.
so no, it has to. It can't accept. Anchor is an anchor optional method.
Well, the strings, they are strings. That's
Um,
not the issue.
I Let me quickly check like what an anchor object. Yeah, anchor object is just an object with two string fields. That's literally it. One is anchor URL, anchor data hash, right? That's it. Like it should accept it.
Okay. I will just leave that for now. I'm not going to worry about that too much. Right. And then we want, okay, yeah, dot change address. Change address. Don't put it all in. I don't want, oh, go away.
This random stuff, yeah.
Right. Select UTXOs from UTXOs. Complete.
And pre-prod, network pre-prod.
Set network pre-prod. So, got that. I think that's good. We
Yeah.
just need to maybe set a little route now. I will copy and paste that. We've just got this here.
Oh, what does it say? Constant, it's a string. And oh, why is it not accepting? It's not assignable to the parameter of string. Wait, it is expecting a string. Are you supposed to hash the anchor object or like, but it, like a DREP registration certificate says it
It
accepts an
returns
object.
string. So that
Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Why is it saying string now?
anchor name is a string.
Oh, what did we use? DREP registration certificate. Register as a DREP. DREP deregistration. Okay, yeah. So I would, yeah, I don't know why it's saying it's supposed to be a string. Um,
Oh, yeah, I've not actually got the Windsor. Hmm.
Linger on DREP deregist. Oh, you put deregistration certificate. It's supposed to be registration certificate.
Oh, good shout. Yeah. What's it called? Sorry, DREP.
Registration certificate, RS capital.
Ah, that could have kept us going all day. Right. Thanks, Harsha. Right, so that looks good now in terms of a transaction. So if we just set up the route, we still got one more problem. Uh, no, we have a provide exported. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's there. It's blockchain provider. Right, okay. That's good job. I caught that. Needs to be blockchain provider.
All right, I think we're all set.
Right, so let's do a route for it, and we'll call it. No, I need a folder for that. Sorry. So we call it register key wrap. Oh, even though we'll go with like that because we actually have a
Yeah.
clutch over that. So root.ts. We will copy and paste what we've been doing since it's fundamentally the same next thing,
Yeah.
next to this thing, just with a little bit of difference. We are going to
So we'll have to change the body, constant UTXO address collateral.
yeah, it needs to be slightly different, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So I've got just
I feel like in this, in like the mesh classes, we are building like so many like components, which will be drag and drop components in real projects, you know.
right. We don't need the collateral. Let's. Does it tell me what we need? Yeah, we need a change address.
So UTXOs, change address, drep ID, that name, URL name or some name, drep name or something. Um,
Oh, no, don't do it like that.
Anchor name and then anchor. Okay. Yep, yep. Drep ID
Let's
as string. That's all pretty good. Yeah.
see why we should export this. Export that. Erect types.
No, I think we'll have to just put as string, just so it is making sure it's a string.
Just ah.
Oh, you're giving it as an object. Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
still
fair
doesn't
enough.
like it.
Mm, linger on registered drep, await registered drep.
Not imported. Not imported. That's why.
Oh, no wonder.
I just exported. I didn't import it. There we go. Still
Okay.
doesn't like it. Okay, thank you.
Oh, conversion of type.
This is me and Node. I'm not doing something correctly here.
Hmm.
Not even looking at the screen.
Yeah.
Anchor URL. Yeah, it does. Do
No, just after change address, put as string. Let me see if that takes away the error.
No, I don't think that's. It's.
No, okay, cool. So what is the error? What is it saying is the error in the first place when you linger on it?
Oh, hang on a minute, Andrew. It's because I've not registered it in the body here. It's we've not got anything.
Oh, I see, I see.
Change address. There we go.
Ah, okay,
Come
cool,
on,
cool, cool.
knock it on the head, Andrew. Right.
I think you have to import error as well.
Yeah. Next error. That should allow that. No. Why am I getting if result dot error?
Um,
Instance of error.
oh, because our so we didn't build it with an error. Remember, our output is not built with. Oh, is it?
We did it. We didn't do a try catch.
Yeah, yeah, we didn't do a try catch, so there's no error. So there's no result dot error.
We will. How did we do the try catch again? Just around the transaction builder itself.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
So it's going to be unsigned TX. If result. Is it just
Did we call? I don't. Oh, we have called it result here. Yeah.
lowercase
Oh, okay.
result dot result dot unsigned TX.
I think that's all good. We're all set.
Okay, and then we'll do a front end component. We won't bother with a hook.
Yeah.
Um, should we just,
Register button. Register as drep button.
yeah, should we just hash this up, do a version of this, or shall I write out a whole new one? What time are we on? 4:15. Okay, we will hash this up, I think. Um,
Yeah, you said you'll hash it.
sorry, I mean, I'll just copy and paste and
Oh.
yeah. What are we put in the front end transactions components? So what are we calling it again? Registered DREP.
Yeah, register direct button.
Gotta be a capital. We remember TSX now, and it'll be a use server sorry, a use client component. So we're going to be using our wallet, um, Mesh SDK React, from our package.
Yeah, yeah. Can you call it register direct button just so we know, hey, this is just like a one click thing? Or do we have to enter? How are you thinking? Like, how do we give the inputs, Andrew? Should we like hard code them, like register DREP ID and all of that? Should we hard code it, or
I think we'll be able to get it directly from the wallet, won't we?
um directly from the wallet? No, we'll get it, but we'll still have to paste it as a constant inside. Like we can't the direct that cannot like.
Even from the hooks, from the React hooks.
Uh, can we get that? Uh, can
Yeah,
we directly get DREP ID from the React hooks? I don't know. Maybe we can. I
I
have no idea.
reckon we might be able to. Anyway, let's get away what we don't need. Um, TX hash, what's that? What are we using that for? Oh, okay,
Oh, that's after the transaction succeeds.
right.
Yeah.
Handle register data. Once try. Um, direct. I am. What? Dot. Get drep. That's it there. That drep ID.
So wallet has a get DREP ID. Oh, sweet.
That just
Okay. I
no,
like.
no.
What's that?
That's
Oh, it does not exist on the
it.
type get
Oh,
DREP. Why? What do you mean it does
the
not?
drep. D
Okay, it does. It
get.
does.
Oh, that get man. Get drep.
Okay.
Close. Right, yeah, wait, hang on a minute. You got to wait that. Okay. Get D.
So what is get DREP? What is it going to give?
That.
Oh, it's a
There we go. drep ID.
DREP ID CIP
Where do
105.
we send?
I see.
Uh,
Okay. So this get DREP is like a is an object that we get, and then we get this field from that object.
yeah, I think that's it. And then what we're going to want to put a little form in here actually, um, because we're going to want a name and a URL for the anchor.
Mm.
Do that quickly. What's that called? Have I just called? Registered.
And we need to add a little form, right, for the name and stuff, or
Yeah, we'll just comment that out in a minute because we're going to want a um direct name. Set direct name and const. What was the other one? URL was it? I think it was.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Anchor name and anchor URL. Anchor name is an object in itself,
Yeah, that's
right?
so.
Oh no, oh, it is a hashed object.
Sure
Yeah,
that
you're right. You're right.
we just want that setting. So we'll give a look. I'm testing my reading skills here. Input. How do we do that again? It's right, fair enough. Use that label, import, drep name on change. Yeah, perfect. Are you clear what I just did, what I let the robot do there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You created a little form and it has like labels. Like so it's a form with so each label is an input field, is it? Oh, because it says input is
Yeah,
equal
and
to
then
text.
next to it will be the actual import and it'll the value of
Ah,
that. And then we've got this on change method inside the input um uh
I see, I see.
ESX.
Okay.
And a little inline function there, which is um
It's just a setter function that
yeah,
we
set
yeah,
uses the setter function on the target, which is
yeah.
the actual input. So classic React, nice way of doing it. But what we will do, we won't let the button show until we've got those two set. So we've got to
Mm.
have drep name and drep URL, and then we'll be able to see the button. And then let's just check how we've got that. So we need to set drep name and we need the drep URL. So those are the five things, I think. Oh, we've got the anchor name and anchor URL, and I think they'll need to match, won't they? Or will they? Yeah. We will name them correctly. I think that's the best
Okay.
thing to do. It's be a bit silly otherwise.
Yeah, and I think the setter function also you could should name set
Yeah.
anchor name.
They
All right.
send that to the root. It's called API registered DREP.
Yep.
Excellent. So we've got the DREP ID, change address, UTXOs.
Hey, why is the DF name being
So
sketch?
change to
Oh, because it's anchor name now.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yep. And one last, yeah. All right.
I wonder if mesh just works out the amount it's going to be. That interesting.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Right, so we've got no errors there. So let's just see if we can run that. Yeah,
Did you put the component on the front end?
nope. Always forget that one. Uh,
Yep.
that's enough.
Yep. That's good. Let's see. Now we can front end. All right.
There we go. So let's connect our wallet.
Very nice.
Doesn't like that.
Oh, it didn't. Whoa. Wait, wallet connection is giving an error? This, I've never seen this. Weird. Wait, what's that supposed to mean? DOM error. Object enable Chrome extension. Where is the DOM error coming from? What's this?
That's weird.
Oh, this
Oh,
is new.
no.
Show 5, what is this? Chrome extension. What is that Chrome extension? App.dom.js.
Use
Object
wallet
in.
store, use call, but connect wallet. That's odd.
Yeah, this is new. I've never seen this before.
Doesn't like where I'm pulling the wallet in from.
Uh, but before you connect the wallet, is it showing the register DREP button on there?
No, because I've got it. I've got it on this anyway.
Oh,
So I mean, if I take that out, it'll show. Then button could
okay.
set something wrong here. That's a promise.
No, but it is a DOM thing, right? Like, are we
Yeah, document object model. It's not. Let's just. We're just gonna hard code the
sure? I mean, but I have a feeling that that might not be the issue.
it's
Oh.
the only thing that we do differently. So
Like so you can like comment out the component that you put, and I still think we'll get that error. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, um,
Make it a string, yeah. Yeah, so I don't think like
yeah,
this error has anything to do with what we did today.
no, I don't. That's a strange one
Uh,
to do with Next.js updating.
yeah.
Wasn't expecting a front end issue. It's not
Yeah.
a.
Um, so what was the issue called? I'm gonna quickly take a look at the um
I've just, in fact, let's just check it builds first. See what it doesn't like.
mm, the data in the module is over
It
two
tests
months old.
to ensure accurate baseline data. Please update npm baseline browser mapping detail later. That's
What is
not a
this?
warning I've seen before.
Yeah, same. What's going on?
Build error. Yeah. Oh, build a fest ticket. What's that? Well, that shouldn't be
Oh,
affecting it at all.
yeah, I don't. So Builder Fest, I think maybe something we did last week.
Shouldn't be affecting it.
Mm.
Well, let's just get it to over in this. We'll also run npm install as well and just see if there's any package issues.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That doesn't look good. That's not even that old, this repo, and you've got
Yeah, and delete the modules. node modules and then do npm
I'm not
install.
sure I will because I'm not sure how quick this internet connection is going to be, and you could end up sitting here for 5 minutes
Oh,
waiting.
really? Oh, shit. Okay.
Next.js is a heavy piece of kit. Now, interestingly, just from a client work I've started because we've started using a bit of Golang. I've been
hmm
creating servers in Golang and actually moving to a lighter weight front end with like React Vite. It's a lot
Oh, white.
next.
Oh, you're using white. Nice. How is
Yeah,
that? Yeah. How is that?
it easy. It's,
Easy? Okay,
it's
cool. That's all. That's what I like to hear.
yeah,
And by the way, have you been using Go routines for concurrency?
no, no, I've not been using that.
So how are you making it fast then? Because I thought like the whole point of Go was to like use concurrency to make stuff fast, no? Or did I get that wrong?
I don't know. Well, it depends how big you, how much, how much traffic you're going to be expecting through your server.
Hmm,
I don't think I've built anything that big yet.
fair enough, fair enough. Oh, so you've been building like client side websites?
I've been, yeah, I'm working on, I've got an API for one of my own personal projects, and I'm working on a store for somebody else
Hmm,
in the API server in Go completely.
yes.
Um, I don't expect there to be lots and lots of traffic through it. So, I mean, the thing is, when it's Node that's more likely to slow anything down, which is kind of why I wanted to turn away from Next.js. I didn't want to be built running a server on that. And then if you're not using all its features, sort of like the
Yeah, yeah.
server
It's a
function
bit too much.
and the API routes, and really there's not much point in doing it. You might as well choose something more lightweight, and Vite is much quicker. So that
Yeah, 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 for sure. It
right.
is.
Try this again. Um,
Okay.
PM on there. I don't really didn't want the front end thing to be the issue.
Yeah, I mean, ah,
Right.
call stack object enabled. What exactly is the issue? Chrome
What's
extension, what?
Webpack issue?
Why this error occurred? In the error overlay message was shown that detected Next.js version was out of date. But we did npm install, no?
No, I think we let's put that next latest. I, I didn't know we did we
Wait,
update.
but why would it be out of date? I don't understand. Like,
We're, we're running Next 15, but it's wanting Next.js 60.
okay,
Right.
I mean, we'll update it. Big deal.
Yeah, we'll
I don't
update.
care.
We could be sat here a few minutes. Fingers
Yeah,
crossed.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Let's all
Uh,
drink.
Newman is here. Newman can
Yeah,
entertain us.
Hey, Newman.
yeah, I'll entertain you guys. Yeah, for sure. Um,
Oh, it's done it. Hang on. That was quite quick.
that was all I needed to do. There you go.
You know.
Mm.
We'll npm install again. It just because something might need to update. That was quick.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The issue is
Okay.
now is if mesh is um
Does mesh care
uh,
is mesh not like
with the latest.
neutral about NP about next versions?
Uh, we could. Well, let's just give it a try, and if not, then we'll have to run the audit and see.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
and npm install should update everything to like non-breaking updates. Should it's
Yep, yep, yep.
just another good reason to start moving to Go for things. No, I mean front end fine, but it's that the npm packages. It's just become so bloated.
No, I just feel like, yeah, there should be some standard in NPM where it says, hey, move to the most stable versions, like as opposed to the latest versions.
Yeah, I think in the grand scheme of things, maybe developers, JavaScript developers, we've probably become a bit lazy and don't want to do things. We have all these
I
packages.
mean, it's not like they're going to have jobs for too long, so
Joel doesn't like it.
okay, it's the same damn error. So I don't understand the error. Like it's a DOM error.
Pack.
Object dot enable. What is this object dot enable? Does it have to do with the extension? Like, does it have to do with any extensions per se?
I think it is to do with the browser. Sorry, the wallet. Um, see this? Node modules at mesh SDK. Let's
Oh, can you do one thing, Andrew? Delete the node modules and then run npm
yeah,
npm install. Yeah.
mm,
Dot next. Yeah.
yeah, I'm
Cop.
just it's
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Node modules and dot next as well.
Okay. Now we could definitely be here for a while.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
thinking though, if we just quickly go on the mesh Discord while we're here and see if they put anything out about any updates.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Where is mesh on here?
Oh, there it is. Yes. Cannot run lesson one. Hello world. Oh, Jesus. 9 minutes ago. Okay. Beginner.
Announcements.
Lord code skill.
31st uh
Not package.
Bitcoin. Okay. It's interesting, really. I think most people who seem to use mesh they don't use the front end um
Oh, really?
much.
Oh.
I think most people seem to build on the back end. I don't know how they handle it from a front end point of view, but
I mean, there are ways to do that, and it's pretty easy, but like, I really like. Yeah, we use the front end specifically for the Connect wallet front end. That's all we use. You already installed it, no?
just gonna do at latest. See if that gives it anything.
No.
Beta here. Hmm. I'm sure we wouldn't have thought that'd take that long.
Okay, that's done. Now
Oh,
we can try.
one package changed to anything and audited.
Yeah, let's try.
Uh, uh, sorry guys, I've just got my daughter's just hurt herself. Hang on a minute. I'm just gonna
Oh, yeah, yeah.
um
Oh boy. Oh man.
It's all good.
Well, Harsha, bring me up to speed. What are you working on here?
Oh, we just are trying to register as a DREP. We built everything, including the button and a little
Hmm.
form to register as a DREP.
Okay.
And we are just trying to initiate the transaction, but we are getting this front end issue.
Oh, huh.
Yeah. We can register as a drep, delegate to a reader, drep, deregister as a drep, all through mesh.
Oh, that's cool. Are you
Yeah.
working from like just an idea, or how did you get the idea? You're
Oh,
just
we were just like, hey, we never did any governance stuff using
aha.
mesh. So we just like jumped in, and it was actually Andrew's idea. So we jumped
Oh,
in
that's
and
cool.
we started doing it.
I wonder.
And it's
Yeah,
so straightforward, by the way, the governance stuff. Like it's one of the easiest ones I have seen till date.
interesting. And they just have a bunch of methods for the DREP transactions, or is it
Yeah,
just a
just like not even a bunch of methods. I think two method, one transaction builder method, and one is just like a hashing thing and stuff like that.
hmm, okay.
So yeah, it's actually pretty easy. It's on that page, by the way. Um,
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This
All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry.
all right. You're good. You're good.
Yeah, having a brother fighting. All right, let's have a look. So,
We didn't start the page. We didn't start the server.
yeah, but it's not giving us any funky warnings this time, so that's a good sign.
That's right. Let's see.
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh,
unhandled reject
sodium.
libsodium was not. What is this?
I had an issue with this the other day on a different application. Um,
What is library
I
sodium?
think there is an issue with mesh in the front ends. Um,
Uh,
here we go.
it was just a warning. No, still not letting us do.
libsodium was not correctly initialized, and so the same error plus now we add in an extra error.
We've
Going in the wrong direction.
uh,
But it is sort of isolated to the front end, meaning that it's not touching the transaction or the mesh stuff that you did
no,
earlier.
no.
It's just
Yeah,
kind of
that's right.
and to be honest, this is something that I've come across as I like tool around with things, is that it gets you know, weird errors, especially if you go for a while. Um, you know, strange errors pop up from where you kind of not expected. So generally, my tactic with this is then, start, you know, we like go back to the metal and just sort of like do the troubleshooting step, go as far upstream as you can and say, okay, will this work? Will that work,
I went really
etc.
into that libsodium error a week or so ago on a different application, and even my AI agent couldn't help me fix it.
Right.
Um,
Yep.
I'm starting to think that maybe there's some issues with the latest Next.js updates and
Mm,
the mesh
mm.
components that we're the mesh dependencies that we're installing. The fact that it's got these we're on these latest beta updates makes me wonder they're in the middle of fixing something. Let's just see if I can update the core one. Um, if that does anything. See if that number changes whilst we're updating it. So we're on beta.87 at the minute. Okay, beta 98. So they're working on something at the moment. You see that change?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's changed. Still doesn't mean it'll work.
Yeah, libso.
The lip sodium though, that is more a warning than an actual issue.
Oh, okay.
Um, no, it still doesn't like it though.
So go to our console, like just on the developer stuff. Not this console, like the inspect
Oh,
on
so
the front end. Yeah. So does it specifically say, oh, can you expand the DOM error? I want to see what is.
No account set.
Oh.
What if can we put in
Oh.
and it gives us an issue with right, but we actually got a wallet connected.
Hmm.
Oh, so it is something to do with eternal? Like, what is this?
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop sharing a minute. I'm just gonna
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
see
Yeah,
if
yeah.
pre-pod on lace,
Yep, yep, yep. Go for it.
which I'm not entirely sure I do.
But your DREP ID will be wrong if you do pre-prod unlace.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that back in.
Oh, actually, does it matter though?
I
It maybe it doesn't matter, no?
we set this. I hate the new. Oh, it's right. There we go. Pre-pod. I'm not a huge fan of lace since it changed from Nami.
Yeah, yeah, I agree.
But have I even got a? Oh yeah, 10,000 test data. I'll do. I do have a
Well,
pre-pod account. Right. Let's put that back in. It's the registered DRAP, and we wanted. Oh, so I've start sharing again. Okay, we're back on. So we'll take away. I've just uncommented that, and we'll take away this, and we'll have the uh, the dots. This let's refresh them.
uncut. Okay.
Base. Right. Okay.
You can put any name, right? Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Um,
Just Gimbalabs
oh,
website.
I don't actually know what it is.
Gimbalabs.com.
Is it gimbalabs.com?
Yeah.
Unexpected token doc type is not
Wait,
valid.
I've seen this error before. Like how did swear I've seen. Okay, yeah. So blockchain provider. So I think it has to oh, you changed your key, right? Blockfrost key or something, right? Did you update the .env file?
It does that automatically. I did that before we.
Oh, you already did that. Okay, cool, cool.
If no provider. Oh yeah, that doesn't look right, does it?
Uh, thrown your blockchain
Oh, hang
provider.
on. Why have we got a new block cross provider? What is going on here? Right. Well, let's have a look at that. Provider.
So
New block cross provider. He's trying that.
constant.
Does that look?
Uh,
That's not how we set a provider, is it? Did we change this last week?
no. Did we change it last week? No.
Base URL. What? Blockchain provider.
I think it's fine. No, where you're exporting, it looks seems fine. What exactly is there?
Oh, that's right. Your API key.
Yeah.
What have I called it? Sorry. Maybe. What have I called? Block Frost. Yeah. Okay. We're just pausing again.
Yeah, yeah. Pause it and check your env to make
Okay.
sure. It has the right naming
Block.
and stuff.
There we go. You were right. It's just block frost. Right. Fine. Reload the EMV. Um, right. We'll start that again. Quick refresh.
Oh, so yeah. It didn't connect. You'll have to connect your lace.
Oh, yeah.
Oops. What's it now? What's it now?
No. Import error from next.error. What?
Wait,
Ah, did
what is it?
we set this as a use server component?
Oh,
No.
no, but it's
It is.
if you don't have to say server component, it's
Uh,
naturally a server component until you say it's a client component.
what? Even for the roots?
Yeah, it's all server components unless you mention a client.
That's weird. Well, we're having a shocker today, aren't we?
Well, you know, we have last week we had too many wins, so we are balancing it out.
Yeah. And it is the next error. Where do we use that instance of? React class component being rendered in a server component. React class components only works in client components. Is this another update? I just get rid of that totally. Go away. So,
Yeah. Don't even have to worry about it.
got 500 register. It is registered DREP, isn't it? Register DREP.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the right routing.
And we're getting a 500, so result dot error. What was the 500 error that we
Mhm.
got? Next response dot JSON. Result also got like an
What you've
error.
got here at the side, that's what that matters. It's not so much the file, it's the routing because the app router is basically our folder structure. So API register dash drep
Yeah. API slash. Yeah, I think that's the right correct route.
drep that matches. Give that another whirl. First argument must be one of type. Oh, we're getting somewhere.
Okay.
It started building,
Oh, beautiful. Okay. We're almost there.
but this is an issue with the transaction builder itself.
Yes.
Where have we gone wrong here then?
Wait, this
Oh,
is too straightforward a transaction to get wrong.
yeah, we've got maybe we have to put some this context in. Although that doesn't seem right because we're still
Yeah, that
hashing it,
doesn't seem, yeah.
doesn't just here.
So what is the error saying? Like, are we not able to go past the coin selection or?
Before coin selection. Yeah. Gosh. Does it?
Anchor URL, anchor data hash, which is a hash. Perfect. Uh, and this is after we went past like the first coin. We went past before coin selection, right? This is after coin selection.
We've got after coin selection, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So after coin selection, so it didn't create a pop-up for you to sign.
No.
It is giving a 200. No, so what's the issue?
The first argument must be one of maybe this is an issue with Eternal. Oh, sorry, lace.
Master type string buffer array or array
I
logout.
do wonder if maybe we've stumbled into something that isn't quite complete.
Uh,
Um, can we search through here? Can't we governance?
okay,
Hmm. I'm a bit lost there.
yeah, I'm seeing this.
In fact,
My-
let's console log the let's console log the actual TX and just see if we get it.
oh, I found a little. Oh shit! They removed the tweet. What an idiot. So they are just saying Control Shift R, do a hard refresh.
Say that again, sorry.
Control Shift R, just a hard refresh.
Oh wait, no, I'm not. That I'm not passing the right thing there.
Where are you not passing
Wait
the
a
right
minute.
thing?
Let's we just you gotta wait. So okay.
Oh, we didn't do a wait.
They didn't
Oh
right.
shit.
Okay, right. Accounts signed ATX.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh my God.
yeah. That is a rookie error, isn't it?
Yep,
Right.
yep. After doing it like a million times.
That console again, and I saw what it was returning. I was like, that is not right at all. So that should be signed ATX. There we go.
Ah, beautiful.
And how much
All right.
test data? Bargain.
500. That's how much you need to pay.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
No idea what this password is. Well, it doesn't matter. Oh, let's go. Let's give it we'll just pause that.
Yeah. And stop sharing. Yeah.
Oh, can you still see what I'm doing?
I can't see what you're doing now.
Okay.
Oh, so if you pause it, that means we can't see what you're doing. That's beautiful. Okay, I didn't know that.
I think so. Oh, I've done it. There we go. It worked. Right. Okay. We're back.
All right.
So let's see. Is it gonna give me the maybe I'll just check it in my wallet.
Yeah. Self transaction.
Aiken. Ah, that's not it. That's it. Definitely signed.
Wait. Um, yeah, I thought you signed it and then.
Oh, well, good.
Look at the front end. It should give you like a hash, transaction hash.
Yeah, it's loading. It's not actually.
Oh, it's still loading. Oh.
Yeah. Hmm.
So you know you can if the transaction is all if the CBOR is a signed CBOR, you can even submit the transaction from Eternal. Did you know that? We don't have to do it
Yeah, no,
from
I
list.
think it has submitted. Um, I do think it's gone through. Ah, I want
So
Cardano scan.
pre-prod Cardano scan.
Oh,
Did you paste the CBOR? I don't know if it
oh,
doesn't it
ah,
wouldn't know the CBOR.
okay. I definitely signed it and it went through.
But you should be able to see it in your wallet, and we should be able to see the transaction hash on the front end.
Just
Yeah,
hang.
why is it still loading? I don't get it.
No, I don't know. Did it work? Didn't it work? I don't know.
Your transactions don't say anything?
No.
And you
Joe.
signed it for five. Wait a minute, why did you sign it for $500? I feel like that is for the ticketer.ak. It shouldn't be $500 to register as DRAP, right?
Oh,
I mean, I don't know. Like, why is it $500 to register as a DRAP?
registered. That's just a DRAP. Registered DRAP.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what the 500 was.
It'll cost a lot of. Let's just do that again. Oh, we're time's up here, aren't we? Right. Okay. Let's just quickly just.
Okay, again, it's asking for. Okay, so maybe it is 500. That's how much you need to pay. Uh,
I think we'll have to part this here. We'll pick it up
yeah, yeah,
time.
yeah.
Good times,
Um,
y'all.
I think it's correct. Just
yeah, I mean, I'm just like, I don't understand what happened to the transaction. It does
no.
it show on your on your wallet? Like
Is
fucking
that
weird.
you doing this in pre-prod? I don't.
Is that a pre-prod wallet? It is a pre-prod, yeah. Mm,
All right, guys.
all right, I'm gonna stop recording.